Good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman. I'm the editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, and today we'll be going through the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website. And the headlines for today's show include strong recovery in Central Europe's investment market, Poland among the top industrial and logistics markets in Europe, and the largest Hampton by Hilton in mainland Europe opens in Vienna.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, and yes, Winston, thank you for those exciting headlines. This Thursday morning, I was back late last night from CRE Paris. As most of you, if you're following me on Facebook or on LinkedIn, you'll see that we were in Paris last couple of days at the GRI, over 800 people attending. Nice awards events. Quite a few companies from Poland and projects from Poland were announced. So great to see that. A few winners as well. So if you check us out on LinkedIn, you'll see some of the winners anyway. So hope all is well. We have a lot of exciting news, a lot of exciting things coming together. Our magazines are going to print here in the next week for EXPO Real, so it's coming up quick. If you'd like to get something in for that, for that edition and getting to the attendees of EXPO Real, now is the time to do it. We also have our two big events coming up with new sponsors, a lot more new jury. So if you haven't checked out the websites, please do. We've got a lot of new jury, quite a few new sponsors coming in for our CRE Awards, October 15th in Hungary. And right after that, 2 weeks after, our CEE Investment Awards, October 29th in Warsaw at the Intercontinental, as always. So GRI, very, very positive news. I think the general thinking was we were getting closer at the bottom in a lot of markets, Central Eastern Europe, pricing-wise. Central Europe, or at least Poland and Czech, doing very well. I think not even nothing negative, only positive. Talking about these markets, GDP is going well. Also, Romania doing well. So definitely, if you're looking at investing, take a look at Poland, Czech markets as well. Romania is doing extremely well. Hungary is starting to come back around. So really great places to take a look at and find some deals. Having said that, we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news.
Welcome back. So we'll start today in the investment market, and Central Europe's commercial real estate market saw a 43% increase in investment volumes in the first half of the year. And Poland led this strong activity. It posted a 113% rise, and the logistics and industrial sectors drove the recovery, and with retail also benefiting from increased consumer confidence. And Poland led the region's growth, followed by Romania and then Bulgaria. However, countries like Hungary and Slovakia saw declines, largely due to one-off transactions and a focus on smaller deals. The market is expected to continue its recovery, with local investors playing a key role as the year remains. And according to Cushman & Wakefield's Michał Stoltak, he says the investment sector is undergoing a significant shift. Historically, office investments accounted for 60% of the transaction volume. However, core capital is now venturing into territories such as retail parks and residential for rent projects. Moving to the industrial and logistics sectors, and BNP Paribas has announced that Poland's industrial and logistics markets continue to grow rapidly. Occupier activity reached a record 1.76 million square meters, with large leases from 20 to 130,000 square meters making up 50% of the total. Notable deals include LPP leasing 103,000 square meters in Bydgoszcz and LX Pantos renewing a 72,000 square meter deal in Wrocław. And developers also increased construction with 1.64 million square meters added in the first half of 2024, pushing Poland's total to stock to around 34 million square meters, and there's around 2 million square meters under construction already. Moving on, and Krakow's industrial and logistics stock has also surpassed 1 million square meters, and the region's low vacancy rate of 6.4% compared to the national average of 8.3% reflects the strong demand. Krakow's success is driven by excellent transport infrastructure, available development land, and a skilled workforce, conclude BNP Paribas. And finally for today, the Primestar Group has opened the largest Hampton by Hilton hotel in mainland Europe, the Hampton by Hilton Vienna City West. The hotel is designed to cater to both business and leisure travellers. And Primestar's Chief Commercial Officer, Ronald Nielsen, expressed excitement about the opening, emphasising Vienna's cultural appeal and hotel's prime location. And hotel manager, Eva Maria Whitman, highlighted the focus on comfort and service, aiming to make guests feel at home. The property is managed by Primestar Hotel Group with the support from investors Lambert Immobilien and V1 Capital.
So Winston, thank you for that. A lot of interesting things on the news this Thursday, and we will see you Friday morning, and we will be ready for last day of the news for the week. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.